In this video, I'll show you how to give Robux to your friends. Start by going to the More page, then select Roblox Plus. You'll need to have Roblox Plus to send Robux, but you may also see the option to start a free trial if it's available. Next, go back to the home page and select the friend you want to send Robux to. Open their profile, then tap the Options menu and choose Send Robux. Enter the amount of Robux you want to send, or pick one of the preset amounts. Tap Next. Check that you're sending the correct amount of Robux to the right person, then tap Send. If the Robux doesn't show up right away, the person receiving it may need to open their notifications and accept it, have a parent approve it, or wait for it to finish processing in their Roblox transactions. Only the person sending the Robux needs to have Roblox Plus. However, both people must have their age verified. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful.